L2 is a virtual experience solution provider that focuses on enhancing the experience for a Matterport virtual space. We utilize Matterport SDK or API to generate a tool for our clients. We have a bunch of innovative solutions for the retail industry. For example, our clients, Chunwan Plaza. They want to guide the customers to the destination because it's inside a very huge space. So we need a virtual guide for people to find a store, a restaurant in the space. So instead of using a physical robot to guide them, we just produce a virtual map, a virtual guide, so they can use their mobile phone to get to the destination using the Matterport space. So that has been really useful for a large space owner. We always aim to provide seamless shopping experience for the users. We can integrate Matterport tours with e-commerce providers, for example, Shopify or WooCommerce in WordPress. Our tool can turn any data point into the product information that pops up with a click. We can also create some gamifications inside the store, making the marketing campaign looks much more attractive, much more different from their market players.